guys, today we will be talking about composition of functions. What is composition of functions? It is the application of one function to the result of other. The result of f is sent through g. F of g of x. The circle here is not a multiplication symbol. If you read it, it is not read as fog x. So be aware of that. It is read as f of g of x. In this notation, we're gonna plug g of x to f. For example, we have f of x is equal to x squared plus 1, and g of x is equal to, let's have 4 minus x. Now, we're going to solve f of g of x. We're gonna plug g of x to f. Now, the f, let's put it here. The x and the f will be substituted with the g of x. The g of x is 4 minus x. We have the squared there, so we're gonna put it here, and the plus 1. We are going to FOIL it, and it will become like this. So we will be having 16 negative 4x and another negative 4x and positive x squared plus 1. Now I'm going to put it into descending form, then we're gonna have the final answer of the x squared, the 2 for x, and it will become negative 8x, and 16 plus 1 is to positive 17. Now we have the final answer, and that's it. Pretty simple, right? Then let's solve another one. Let's try solving g of f of x. G of f of x. Here, we're gonna plug f of x to g. Our g is 4 minus x, but x will be substituted into f, and our f is x squared plus 1. Now I'm going to distribute it, so we will have 4 minus x squared and negative 1, and then I'm going to arrange it into descending power, so we'll have x squared minus 3, and that will be the answer. Well, compositional of functions, well, it's kind of confusing, but if you practice, you will understand it more. So That's it. Thank you for watching. Now, we're going to review. In composition of functions, f, the result of f is distributed or sent to g. This equation is read as f of g of x, not fog x. And in this notation, g of x is distributed to f. In these examples, f of x is equal to x squared plus 1, g of x is equal to 4 minus x. F of g of x, we're going to plug g of x to f. So, here, the x in the f of x is substituted by the g of x. Then the g of x is 4 minus x, so I put it right in here, and then I put the squared and the plus 1. And if we're going to file it up, there, the 4 and 4 became 16, and the 4x, negative 4x, and the negative x to 4, and it became negative 4x2. Then the 2x's became positive x squared, and I put the plus 1. I arrange it into descending power, then I've got the final answer, x squared minus 8x plus 17. In the second example, we have g of f of x is equal to, in this notation, we distributed f of x to g. And I put the example of g of x is 4 minus x, right? But the x, I substituted it to x squared plus 1, the f of x. Then it became like this. When I distributed it, it became like this. 4 minus x squared minus 1. And when I arrange it into descending power, x squared minus 3 is the result. And it's the final answer. If you are still confused in composition of functions, you just have to review and practice more this in your home, and listen to your teachers when they are discussing, so you'll be able to cope up. And thanks for watching. See you again soon.
Because I know somewhere deep down in my heart, I still love you.
Paano masabi?
Obvious ba?